To add an SSL certificate in GoDaddy, follow these steps. Purchase an SSL certificate. Log into GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy.com and sign into your account. Go to My Products. Click on your profile name and select My Products. Purchase SSL. If you haven't already, buy an SSL certificate under the SSL certificate section. Install the SSL certificate for GoDaddy hosted websites. In the SSL section, find your domain and click Setup. If your domain is hosted with GoDaddy, the SSL certificate is automatically installed. Wait for the SSL activation. For third-party hosting, generate CSR. If required, generate a CSR from your hosting provider. Submit CSR to GoDaddy. Go to SSL certificates in your GoDaddy account. Click Manage, Request Certificate and paste the CSR. Click Submit and wait for GoDaddy to issue the SSL certificate. Download and install SSL. Once approved, download the SSL certificate from GoDaddy and install it on your hosting server. Verify SSL installation. Use tools like SSL Checker to confirm SSL activation. Ensure your site is loading securely with HTTPS.